Hi everyone, right, I'm going to show you how to set up a live stream in case you want to do something live. I'm going to show you on the laptop. It's really easy on a mobile as well, but I'll show you how to do, this is a Facebook live stream through our social media. I mean, we've got Facebook and we've got YouTube, and either of them offer the same basically live streaming facility. Simple as this. Click on live. And you get to this page. You can choose to either go live now, which basically means you set it up, bang, and you're off straight away, or you can schedule a live video. I'll schedule, it's essentially exactly the same. There's one tiny little extra bit I'd like to show you on that though. If you schedule something, obviously it means you can advertise it in advance and try to push people to it. So you get to choose the time that you're going to schedule it. So I'll call it live test. You can say something about it. It also tells you to select an image. This is the thing that's different from going live straight away. So I can now select an image. If I don't, it'll be that. So, which is our banner. So I'm going to select an image. Let's have a mice and men, shall we? So that's there now. So now people visiting the page beforehand or afterwards, because all your live streams, if you want them to, will be saved then on your Facebook stream. We'll have that as a thumbnail. Now, simple so far. It's not going to get any more difficult than this. If you go live now, when you set all that stuff up, all you do once it's all ready is you'll hit the go live button down the bottom, and then bang, you're away.